Emergency Response gained the highest award for Best Government Emergency Responder, a recognition bestowed by the Office of the Civil Defense and the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. Through the Gawad Kalasig Award this year, a second placer in the Basic Search and Rescue Best Government Emergency Response Management category. Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office received the communication for the award-giving body of the National Validation following its winning at the regional level with boasted the Iloilo City DRRM Council. ICER is a part of the country's top 3 responders, and the validation will try to determine the best among them. ICER is fully equipped and trained to conduct high-angle and collapse structure rescue, water, search and rescue, vehicular accident, and other similar emergencies. It has 4 ambulances corresponding to emergencies, a thermal scanner that is used to locate presence of fire in case of conflagration, and the lab scanner used to determine if there are persons trapped in more than 20 meters deep in collapsed building. It also has close to 150 trained responders, around 80% of which are nurses. The city government also makes use of the 70% of its local DRRM fund conducted trainings in acquired equipment that are necessary to strengthen the capability of ICER. The inclusion of ICER among the top 3 best responders shows the effort of the city government to make life easier for homeless. Currently, the next step of the government is to find a strategic location for their command center.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Iloilo City Emergency Responders as first place in the category of Best Government Emergency Response Management Basic Search and Rescue. Congratulations. They will also be receiving a check of 50,000 pesos.
Congratulations. The next presentation is first place on the GEMS or GERMS category, Basic Search and Rescue category, the 611 Philippine Coast Guard